Welcome to our channel, friends. Today we are diving into mastering the art of becoming an influencer. For more passive income videos, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Influencers have the ability to inspire, educate, and entertain millions of followers through their online presence. However, mastering the art of becoming an influencer requires more than just posting pretty pictures or sharing witty captions. It takes strategy, consistency, authenticity, and dedication. In this video, we will explore the 7 essential steps to help you master the art of becoming an influencer and build a successful online career. Step 1. Define your niche. Finding your niche is the first step towards becoming a successful influencer. Identify your passions, interests, and expertise. By selecting a specific niche, you can focus your content and target a more engaged audience. It could be anything from fashion, beauty, fitness, travel, food, or even a unique combination of multiple niches. Remember, a well-defined niche will help you establish yourself as an authority and differentiate yourself in the crowded influencer landscape. Step 2. Develop your unique brand. Building a strong personal brand is crucial in the influencer world. Define your brand identity, including your values, personality, and the message you want to convey to your audience. Take the time to create a consistent aesthetic tone of voice and visual style that aligns with your niche and resonates with your target audience. Your brand should be a reflection of your authentic self, allowing your followers to connect with you on a deeper level. Step 3. Create compelling and valuable content. Content is king in the influencer realm. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your niche and brand. Experiment with different formats such as videos, blogs, podcasts, or social media posts, depending on your strengths and audience preferences. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging, and valuable content that entertains, educates, or solves a problem for your audience. Be consistent in your content creation efforts, providing a steady stream of fresh and compelling material to keep your followers engaged and coming back for more. Step 4. Build a strong online presence. To become an influencer, you need to establish a strong online presence across various platforms. Select the platforms that best suit your niche and target audience, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or a combination of different platforms. Focus on building a solid following by consistently posting quality content, engaging with your audience, and optimizing your profiles for discoverability. Leverage the power of hashtags, collaborations, and cross-promotion to expand your reach and attract new followers. Step 5. Engage and connect with your audience. Engaging with your audience is key to building a loyal following. Respond to comments, direct messages, fostering a sense of community and connection. Take the time to listen to your audience, understand their needs, and create content that addresses their interests and challenges. Organize live Q&A sessions, polls, or contests to encourage active participation. Remember, building relationships with your followers will not only enhance your influence, but also create a supportive and engaged community around your brand. Step 6. Collaborate and network. Collaborating with other influencers and brands can amplify your reach and exposure. Seek opportunities for partnerships, guest appearances, or sponsored content collaborations within your niche. Collaborations can introduce you to new audiences and help you establish credibility. Networking within the influencer industry can open doors for future collaborations, provide valuable insights, and support your growth as an influencer. Attend industry events, engage in online communities, and build genuine relationships with fellow influencers and brands. Step 7. Stay authentic and evolve. Authenticity is the key to long-term success as an influencer. Stay true to yourself and your brand. Share your real-life experiences, be transparent about your successes and failures, and show vulnerability when appropriate. Allow your audience to see the person behind the influencer. Additionally, embrace change and continuously evolve. Stay updated on the latest trends, adapt to platform algorithm changes, and be open to exploring new content formats and ideas. Your ability to adapt and stay relevant will contribute to your longevity as an influencer. Mastering the art of becoming an influencer requires a combination of passion, strategy, creativity, and perseverance. By defining your niche, developing your brand, creating valuable content, building a strong online presence, engaging with your audience, collaborating with others, and staying authentic, you can pave the way for a successful and influential career in the digital world. Remember, becoming an influencer is a journey, so enjoy the process and embrace the opportunities that come your way. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more passive income videos.